What if I told you there's one investment that can pay you every month, grow in value over time, and even slash your taxes, all at the same time? And no, it's not crypto. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a topic that is close to my heart and has the potential to transform your financial future: real estate investment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to earn passive income, even while you sleep. Watch your property value climb year after year and pay less in taxes, 100% legally. Oh, and I've got a free gift for you that could fast-track your first or next deal, so be sure to stick around. Real estate investment is a gateway to financial freedom. Owning properties not only provides a sense of security, but also offers numerous tax advantages that can significantly reduce your tax burden. In this video, I'm here to shed light on the amazing world of real estate investment and show you how it can be a game changer for your financial journey. Before we dive in, I want to offer something special. If you're ready to level up your real estate journey, don't wait. Click the link in the description now to book your free consultation with our expert and get personalized guidance for your next big investment. This is your chance to get personalized advice tailored for your investment journey. Let's dive in. Have you ever thought about owning a property? It's not just a roof over your head. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate in value over time. But did you know that there are smart ways to own property that can also help you save on taxes? Yes, I'm talking about real estate investment, a powerful tool for building wealth while reducing your tax liability. When it comes to real estate investment, I am your go-to expert. With my extensive knowledge and experience in the field, I've witnessed firsthand how property ownership can be a game changer for individuals and families. In this video, I'm going to share with you the exciting benefits of real estate investment and how you can leverage these benefits to create a brighter financial future for yourself. Why is real estate investment such a hot topic? Because it has the power to change lives. It's one of the most accessible and effective ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. The best part is that you don't have to be a millionaire to start. Even if you're just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights and actionable steps that anyone can take. So whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of real estate or an experienced investor seeking new strategies, I've got you covered. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty of real estate investment, let me ask you a question. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having financial stability and the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about money? If you answered yes, then real estate investment could be the answer you've been searching for. Now let's dive into the 3 remarkable benefits of real estate investment that have the power to transform your life. Benefit number 1, passive income. One of the most significant advantages of real estate investment is the potential to earn passive income. Imagine owning a property that pays for itself. That's right. With real estate, you can collect rent from tenants and use that income to cover your mortgage, property taxes, and other expenses. Not only does this reduce your financial burden, but it also creates a steady cash flow for you. It's like having a reliable side hustle that works around the clock without requiring your active involvement. And here's a tip. If you reinvest that passive income into acquiring more properties, you create a snowball effect. Over time, your portfolio grows, your income multiplies, and your financial freedom accelerates. Benefit number 2, long-term appreciation. Real estate has historically shown strong long-term appreciation. When you invest in property, you're not just earning rental income, you're also benefiting from the potential increase in your property's value over time. As the demand for housing rises and property values appreciate, your investment can grow substantially. Imagine owning a piece of real estate that becomes more valuable as the years go by. It's a fantastic way to build equity and watch your investment portfolio flourish. And remember, appreciation isn't just about waiting. Strategic renovations, smart location choices, and timing, the market can dramatically boost your property's value faster than you think. Benefit number 3, tax advantages. The tax advantages associated with real estate investment are truly remarkable. I'm talking about deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes and depreciation. Say goodbye to high tax bills and hello to substantial savings. By leveraging these tax benefits, you can keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. With real estate, you can enjoy the financial freedom that comes with reduced tax liabilities, giving you more control over your money and your life. And here's the bonus. These tax advantages can often be combined with other incentives like energy efficiency grants or first-time investor programs. That's extra savings you can reinvest. Now that you're aware of the incredible benefits of real estate investment, it's time to explore how you can get started. The good news is that you don't have to do it alone. I am here to guide you every step of the way. Think of me as your GPS in the world of property. I'll help you avoid costly wrong turns and get you to your destination faster. My team and I have the expertise and resources to help you make informed investment decisions and turn your real estate dreams into reality. At our company, we specialize in finding hidden gems in the market that hold tremendous investment potential. We've got our eyes on some amazing properties that might be perfect for you. Before I show you what's possible, let me ask, if you could invest in any type of property right now, would you go for a charming fixer-upper or a ready-to-rent apartment building? Drop your answer in the comments, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. All right, now that you've done that, let me show you why we're the real deal. Over the years, we've built a reputation for spotting opportunities that others overlook. Properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods, undervalued homes with untapped potential, and commercial spaces that can be transformed into thriving income-generating assets. We don't just look at what a property is today, we see what it could be tomorrow. That vision is what allows our clients to get ahead of the market and secure investments that grow in value year after year. Picture this: a cozy cottage in a picturesque neighborhood that needs a little TLC, or a spacious apartment building with great rental income potential. These properties might not look like much on the surface, but with a little creativity and elbow grease, they can be transformed into profitable investment assets. Imagine walking into a property that others have passed by, peeling paint, outdated fixtures, maybe even an overgrown garden. Most people see problems. We see possibilities. With the right renovations, that same property can become a sought-after rental, a profitable flip, or even your dream home. And the best part? You get to be the one who turns that vision into reality while building wealth in the process. To make the process even smoother, we offer flexible financing options tailored to your needs. We understand that everyone's financial situation is unique, and we are here to accommodate you. Whether you need a short-term loan to flip a property or a long-term mortgage to hold on to a rental property, we've got you covered. Our team will work tirelessly to secure the best financing options with competitive interest rates and flexible repayment plans. We also take the time to walk you through every financing option so you feel confident in your decision. No confusing jargon, no hidden surprises, just clear, transparent guidance so you know exactly what to expect. Our goal is to make sure the numbers work for you, not against you. But wait, there's more. As a valued client, you'll also gain access to our exclusive network of trusted contractors and service providers. We know how overwhelming it can be to manage repairs and renovations, especially if you're new to real estate investing. That's why we've handpicked a team of reliable professionals who can handle everything from minor fixes to major renovations. They're skilled, efficient, and committed to bringing your investment property to life. Here's how it works. Simply contact our office and let us know you're interested in exploring real estate investment opportunities. Our friendly and knowledgeable team will guide you through the entire process. We'll assess your financial situation, understand your investment goals, and suggest properties that align with your budget and preferences. We'll also share insider market insights, the kind of information you won't find on public listings, so you can make decisions based on real data, not guesswork. Then it's time to take action. Once you've found the perfect property, we'll help you secure the financing and connect you with our trusted network of contractors. Sit back, relax, and watch as your real estate dreams start to take shape. You'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're in good hands. We're here to support you every step of the way. Our mission is to empower everyone to own real estate. We believe that everyone deserves the opportunity to build wealth and achieve financial freedom through property ownership. And guess what? We're making it possible. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, it's time to take the next step. Contact our office today and let's get started. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your future. Here are a few ways you can reach out to schedule a consultation. Check out our link in the description, or simply ask any questions you might have. Real estate investment is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool for creating generational wealth. With passive income, long-term appreciation, and tax advantages, it offers a solid foundation for financial success. Don't wait any longer. Embrace the benefits of real estate investment and secure your future today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. And if you're ready to take the next step towards financial freedom, click the link below to book your free consultation today. Plus, I've prepared a special gift for you, my top current property picks, complete with photos, prices, and key investment stats. So grab your copy. Together, we can unlock the endless possibilities that real estate has in store for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to real estate success. Until next time, happy investing.